Oh, doggies. Looks like I got some work in front of me. What is my project? Yes, it's installing a light fixture. And you can put these in bathrooms. You can put them in different areas. Here we had some wall sconces. And Momi decided to brighten this place up, give it a little bling, bring it into the modern world. We're gonna end up sticking one right there, one over here, and see this? This is what it looks like right here. I just installed that one. It looks pretty bright to me. And I wish it would show up a little bit better. Here we go. That's how it looks. And I kind of wish it was just that section that was gonna light up and not this outside edge. And you know, I might even be able to put some tape on the end of those, because I kind of wanted those for ambiance type of light. These were wall sconces before, and they're supposed to give off just a little bit of light. It's not supposed to give you so much light that it brightens up the whole place, but we'll see. But because see, I could take a piece of duct tape or something and put on this end here. See, and just have this face. And I'm thinking about doing that. We'll end up seeing what's going to happen. I'm going to put another one right here, and these two are going to be horizontal, and you can turn these vertical too. Okay, I was thinking about putting this vertical because this wall is kind of narrow and it's pretty tall. See there? But I kind of thought it would be nice to put them like this, and it would kind of bring the work area from here down instead of up. And I thought, well, let's just put this one vertical over here.